How to get stretch resolution in Fortnite PC. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get stretch resolution in your Fortnite. Now first, press the Windows R on your keyboard and then type this command. And after that, find the Fortnite folder in your local. Now click Save. And then click the config. And then go to Windows Client. And then this. Now right click your mouse. And then go to Properties. Now make sure that the read only is unchecked. Now click OK. After that, open this one. And then press Ctrl F on your keyboard. And then type this resolution size. And then press the arrow down. Now you have to change this one, depends on what size you want. For example, you want 1440. And for this, 1080. Do the same thing in here also. Same thing with here. And for this also desired screen width. And after that, just go to File and then click the Save. Now go back to your file and right click to your mouse and then go to Properties and check the read only. Then click OK. And after that, just go back to your Fortnite and then make sure to restart the app before using it. And then that's it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more awesome content like this. Thanks for watching and have a great day.